Hello friends, myself Animesh Sharkar. Welcome to our channel Electrical and Automation. In this video, we present that how to ID run of motor in this FCS 8550 drive. This is drive display panel. Now drive stop condition. We see that 0 RPM, forward direction, stop condition and output, and now remote mode condition. This is local mode button. When press it local mode and again we press it remote mode. This is scroll button. We can change the parameter with help of scroll button. This is menu button or enter button. This is exit and reset button, and this is stop button. This is start button. We can change the direction mode, direction button. Now at first the menu button parameter will show display, then go to parameter. Generally ABB drives 1 to 99 parameter. We go to 99 parameter, press the down scroll button. 99 parameter will show in display. Enter 99 parameter. At first go to 9901 parameter, the value shown in display, that means English language. So 0 means English language. Now go to second 9902 parameter, it is application mode. Enter the 9902 parameter, then 5 value is showing display, it means hand auto mode selection. 9904 parameter, this is very important parameter for the process. Enter 9904 parameter, we see the value 1. Okay, now we can change the value with the help of enter button, and we have a 3 option, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now we first of all means that 1 2 3. What is the meaning of 1 2 3? So first 1 means vector speed, and 2 means torque mode speed, 3 means scalar mode speed. Okay, no, in ID run process we selected 1 mode. Okay, now next go to 9905 parameter, that is motor nominal voltage, that is 415 volt, and 9906 is nominal current. 9907 parameter is motor frequency, that is 50 Hz. 9908 parameter is motor rated speed, that is 415, that is display in. 9909 is current parameter, it's motor rated speed. And finally go to 9910 parameter, this is for ID run procession. Enter the 99010, value is 0 value is shown in display, it means motor is normal condition. Then we have to 2 options, 0 and 1. 1 value means the ID run process, we select the ID run value 1, then 1 alarm shown in display A2019. Then drive should be local mode and motor should be decouple condition. Now we go to main display panel mode, then press it start button. So first enter the start button, and then ID run process it will be started. Okay, go to start button, press it. Now motor, after few times motor RPM will be changed, and we see in display that motor RPM will be changed. So motor RPM gradually increased, and alarm shown in display, it will be take time 1 minute. After some time motor RPM gradually decreased. When certain RPM reached, after that motor RPM gradually decreased also, and we will take time for this process, and alarm will shown in display until ID run process is finished. So we wait for few minutes. Now again motor RPM will decreased, alarm continuous is blinking. After ID-run process completed, alarm will be automatically gone. Now RPM is decreased. ID-run process is completed. Now motor RPM is 0 RPM. We see that in value in main display panel. So go to remote mode selection and ensure that RD-run is completed or not. Go to 9910 parameter and we see the 9910 parameter value is 0. This means ID-run completed. And go to main menu advanced. Okay. Thanks for watching my videos. Please like, share and comments.